Is your deck or patio losing its charm to stubborn grime and dirt? Well, there's a solution to bring back the sparkle professional concrete cleaning. Decks and patios are more than just outdoor spaces. They're extensions of our homes, inviting us to enjoy the great outdoors from the comfort of our own backyards. But as time passes, these spaces can lose their appeal due to grime, moss, and dirt buildup. That's where concrete cleaning steps in. It's the magic wand that can restore these spaces to their former glory. A major benefit of concrete cleaning is the preservation of aesthetics. The process efficiently removes unsightly stains and dirt, keeping your deck or patio looking as good as new. But it's not just about looks. Regular cleaning can prolong the lifespan of your outdoor spaces by preventing wear and tear caused by lodged dirt and grime. Safety is another key aspect to consider. Over time, the buildup of algae and moss can make your deck or patio dangerously slippery. Professional concrete cleaning eliminates these risks, ensuring a safe environment for you and your loved ones to enjoy. And let's not forget about the environment. Concrete cleaning, particularly pressure washing, is an eco-friendly process. It doesn't rely on harsh chemicals but uses high-velocity water to dislodge and remove contaminants. It's a cleaning method that's tough on dirt but gentle on the environment. In summary, professional concrete cleaning is a practical, efficient and eco-friendly solution to maintaining the beauty and safety of your deck or patio. It can preserve the aesthetics, prolong the durability, enhance safety, and uphold an environmentally friendly approach to cleaning. So, don't let the outdoor charm of your home fade away. Embrace the power of professional concrete cleaning and let your deck or patio radiate with beauty and longevity for years to come. When it comes to professional concrete cleaning, one name stands out: Jabez Power Washing. With years of experience, we specialize in transforming your patios and decks, bringing them back to their original charm. Our team utilizes advanced equipment and eco-friendly methods, ensuring a thorough clean without harming the environment. But it's not just about the cleaning, it's about the experience. We pride ourselves on exceptional customer service, and your satisfaction is our top priority. So why wait? Give Jabez Power Washing a call at 404-964-2243 and let us restore the charm of your outdoor spaces. Your deck or patio will thank you.